Hello friends, today we are going to learn ABC phonics song. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. A is for apple, apple.
Apple, apple, round and yummy apple.
B is for ball, ball.
Balls on the field go bounce, bounce, bounce.
C is for cat, cat.
Kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to...
D is for drum, drum. E is for egg, egg.
Oh, here you go, 5 for mix.
F is for fish, fish.
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगा.
G is for goat, goat.
Baby goat, yes mama.
H is for horse, horse.
हाथी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जुमा.
I is for insect, insect. J is for jelly, jelly.
Plate, jelly on a plate. Wibble.
K is for kite, kite.
Kite mana patang.
L is for ladybug, ladybug.
5 little ladybugs climb.
M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest.
5 little...
O is for owl, owl. P is for pineapple, pineapple. Q is for queen, queen.
And it looks like I'm the queen.
R is for robot, robot. S is for snail, snail.
Snail Coco is his name, dancing also.
T is for train, chuck, train.
The train go round and round.
U is for unicorn, unicorn.
Straight to the stars. You're the...
V is for van, vroom, van.
Going on holiday in a camper van.
W is for water, we must drink water.
Garden, water in the sea, water in.
X is for Xmas tree, coming on 25th December.
Christmas
Merry
tree,
Christmas. Y is for yacht, yacht.
First heard of them earlier that morning.
Z is for zoo, zoo. I like to visit
Wonderful
the
zoo. Let us all visit it.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share Coco TV 3R. Did you enjoy this video?